Filipino McCoy ang kwento. Paano mo pa rin na dandy mundo?
Hey you! Do you want to be the new host for the new show?
I want to do my own show. Yay!
Ang hagdan.
My name is Cleveland Brown. My name is Cleveland Brown.
Ano ang nagpapainit sa aking mga mata?
It's those antibacterial wipes for the shopping carts! It's burning my eyes!
Na ikaw ay
I'm getting pretty sick of him calling my mom. Well, cause I'm a bitch, she's a big fat bitch, she's the biggest bitch in the whole wide world. She's a stupid bitch, and everyone's a bitch, she's a bitch to all the boys and girls. Shut your fucking mouth, Carmen!
galit si Dandy sa lahat. YouTube scream ang gibbon monkey Mr. Ring Ading. Salamat sa panonood ng Filipino McCoy Story.